Good morning, students. This video is for class 10th economics. In this video we are going to learn the meaning of national development and how we can compare different countries or state. So let us learn the meaning of national development. National development is a wider term which includes various aspects related to human life. It includes improvement in living standard of people, increase in per capita income, providing social amenities like education, medical facilities, social services to all citizens of a country. Under the concept of development, country uses its resource in a fair way. Government implement various programs and policies which could benefit a large number of people. So we can say when there is improvement in living standard of people, when there is increase in literacy rate, when there is increase in medical facilities for people, then this is called the national development. Now let us see what is the criteria used by World Bank to compare development of different countries, or how can we compare development of different countries. We can compare development of different countries on the basis of their per capita income. As we already studied that income can be the major component for the development. World Bank prepare world development reports, and on the basis of this report World Bank give ranking to its member countries. This criteria is used in classifying countries. World Bank define countries with per capita income of US dollar 12,616 per annum and above in year 2012 are called rich countries, and those with per capita income of US dollar 1,035 or less are called low income countries. Our country India comes in the category of low middle income countries because in 2012 its per capita income was just rupees 1,530 US dollar per annum. So we can compare different countries on the basis of their per capita income. If per capita income, average income of a country is greater, then it's mean that the country is a rich country or a developed country.